Hi, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tish. Today we are unboxing our Ipsy Glam bag. This is $12 a month. You are guaranteed to get 5 deluxe sample sizes. Sometimes you get sometimes you get a full-size product. Sorry, brain fart. All right. So the first thing I see in here is the Sakura Peeling Radiance pads. And that is what that looks like. Brightening and smoothing skin texture for all skin types, 10 pieces. All right. And then the next thing we have here is a Lexi E205 pack and shade brush. And I am never upset to receive brushes. Focus. And it also has this area here that you can grab onto. Feels nice. Okay, not mad about it. All right, and then we have our bag. It's got the little airplane detail. It says escape. And it feels like a child's inner tube. All right. And then, of course, we have our useless card that says it's for July 2020. The theme is Take a Break. It does not give us any information on the products. All right, so the first thing out of the bag, but the next thing on the list is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil from Ciate London. And that is what that looks like. There we go. It smells like watermelon. All right, and then we have the Balm Will Powder Blush in Perseverance. And that is what that looks like. And that is the shade. I like that a lot. And while it's like not a huge blush, you get plenty of use out of it. And then we have bubble wrap. All right, and this says Space Case Cosmetics, and it is being difficult, so we're going to take a nail file to it. All right, and it says it is an eyeshadow, and the shade is Karma is a Beach. And that is the shade. And it is slightly darker than my skin tone. Let's see if I can build that up a little bit. All right. I'm not upset with that. Pretty sure I'll use it. Seems like a decent bag. I mean, $12. I got a blush. I got an eyeshadow. I got a Luxie brush, a lip oil, and some peeling pads. And of course, the makeup bag. Now, with the makeup bag, there's actually something I don't want to forget. I have a friend, Linda Skidmore. She has a channel here on YouTube. I will leave her linked in the description box. Now, she is looking for Ipsy bags because they're perfect to make little goodie bags, which she takes to the local cancer center. I'm going to find her P.O. box and I'm going to put it in the description as well. If you have any Ipsy bags, please send them to her. Also, go check out her channel. I absolutely love her. She's an amazing woman. But I will be taking all of my Ipsy bags and I will be sending them to Linda, along with any other little goodies that I could possibly think of that I'm not going to use, because why not help her out? She's doing something good for other people, and that makes me happy. So yes, Ipsy bags. If you don't want them, send them to Linda Skidmore. I will leave all of that information in the description box. And it makes me so happy that I was able to remember to say that, because I always forget the one thing I have to say. My brother-in-law. All right, so that is today's video. I will leave the link for my referral link for Ipsy in the description box. Now, what that does, if you click on it and you decide to get Ipsy, it gives me points to then put like purchase little products in their shops when they do their add-ons or whatever it is with Ipsy, whatever they call it. I don't get any money for it, but I do get points, which leads to being able to get little deals on some of their products. All right, so I hope everyone has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.